want it. You take it on the chin, but again, I'm running with you.
Good morning! Welcome to the first ever foam run here at Amber Commonwealth.
When we're running from the beast, now we know it's time to make it. I'll never quit, I'm sick of it. And starting now.
Amber Foam Run 2025!
This isn't just a race, it's a celebration of family, fitness, and fun.
I'm making me who I wanna be. Set me free.
Nag-enjoy ako dun sa ruta kasi meron siyang uphill at masaya. Yun lang guys. Thank you.
Very organized po yung panran nila at yung ruta is maganda po kasi dito lang po sa loob ng Ever, paikot-ikot.
Get ready! And
Breaking down the walls that I built, it's time to get ready. Move if you know that you have it. Listen on to the dream that's ahead. It's time to liberate.
Masaya siya kasi hindi ko rin naman ina-expect na mananalo ako and 2 months pa lang ako tumatakbo but yung 1KM parang malaki na rin para sa akin and this event is very successful siya kahit first time pa lang and masasabi ko na congrats po sa inyo sa Ever Commonwealth po.
No, I'm stuck in the middle.
get ready! And back!
Set me free, yeah, liberate me. I'm making me who I wanna be. Set me free, yeah, liberate me. Let me see.
Ever Foam Run 2025!
Turuan po natin ang ating mga kabataan. Pag naka-experience sila ng anything related to sexual abuse and exploitation, huwag silang mahihiya na magsumbong sa mga tao na pinagkakatiwalaan nila. Yun lamang po ang mensahe ng Junior Chamber International Manila ngayon, together with Break the Silence National Network para sa Child Sexual Abuse and Exploitation Awareness Program.
Get ready!
Set me free, yeah, liberate me. I'm making me who I wanna be. Set me free, yeah, liberate me. Let me see the fire in me now. Surprise me real.
I would like to thank everyone, lahat po ng mga sumali sa first ever foam run namin. Maraming salamat po. With so much thanks sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Ever Foam Run, especially our collaborators, our partners and sponsors. Maraming salamat po.